Yeah, hi there everyone. This is Ashmita from Saurav's classes, and today we are going to solve a question from the philosophy paper 2. And the question is, why is it appropriate to say I find this tasty but not to say I find this red? Now, getting a little deviated from the question, if you are doing preparation for any kind of government job exams, or if you are preparing yourself for any entrance exams, then you can join our classes. For that, do go to the description box below this video. You will get all the details, contact numbers, and website links to our classes. You can have live sessions, recorded lectures, portal access 24/7 is provided to all the students, and yeah, doubt clearing sessions, one-to-one classes, group studies and all, then mock tests, everything is provided over here along with study materials. So if you definitely want to prepare yourself with with expert guidance and all, then definitely do join our classes. Yeah, there would be demo classes, there would be recorded sessions, there would be live sessions. So do have a look at it. Look at that. So yeah, coming back to the question once again, let's discuss this in details. So the appropriateness of saying that I find this tasty and I do not find this red is because like it has to do with the nature of the statements and how they relate to personal experiences and subjective perceptions. Now, I find this tasty is like an expression of personal taste and subjective experience, because something which is tasty for you, I might not find that tasty, right? So it indicates that you are sharing your personal opinion or preference regarding the flavor or taste of something. So over here, taste is inherently subjective, and what is tasty to one person may not be same to the other person. Therefore, it's entirely appropriate to express your personal enjoyment or preference for a particular food or flavor. On the other hand, I find this red is a statement about an objective property of an object. So in this case, like for example, over here the question talks about the color red, right? So in this case, it's a color. So color is an objective characteristic that can be measured and observed consistently by different people. So it doesn't depend on personal perception or opinion. If something is red, it can be objectively verified by its spectral characteristics. And this verification should be consistent across different observers. Now, saying this, that I find this red, suggests that the color is a matter of personal perception, which is not accurate. And color is typically considered an objective quality, and we use standard terms like red or blue or yellow to describe it, right? So in summary, or summarizing the entire fact, we can say it's appropriate to express your subjective experiences and opinions about taste, because taste is inherently subjective. However, it's not appropriate to say that you find something objectively red, because color is an objective property that can be like described using standard terminology. So yeah, that's it for today's class discussion. If you want to have more discussions like this, and if you want to solve questions in a detailed manner, interactive manner, then do join our classes. All the details are given in the description box below. Do have a look at that. Study materials, live sessions, recorded lectures, and also mock tests are available over here if you are somehow preparing for any kind of entrance exams or any course. If you are doing, and if you want expert guidance, then you can join our classes. Thank you for being with me till the end of the class, and thank you for watching.